How to register an account in Aviator. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily register it. First of all, open the application. Now here on the top, there are two different sections, sign in or sign up. Here, simply tap on sign up. So this is the place where you can register your account. Here, you must fill all the credentials and you'll be able to easily sign in and create a new account. Here from the top, you can select all the methods and everything here. So here from the top, tap on currency, your phone number, email and password. So after adding all of them, a verification code will be sent to your email and you'll be able to easily verify it and create a new account inside the application. So after you do this, you'll be able to access different things inside the app. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.